Okay, today we're gonna speak about how we are gonna do like a fast dynamic chart. So I'm gonna speak about that. So we should have this in about 5 minutes. So if somebody's asking you for something quick, taking in consideration that we already have the data set. So I'm gonna say that we're gonna say we have an ID, um, description, um, value, and that's it. So when we have this as one, um, and then we're gonna have two, which is gonna be TV value 4, and another TV value 5 with a so here's to do this kind of fast. I'm gonna go copy this and one, and then I'm gonna kind of randomize this. Okay. Okay, kind of in this way, you know. So this is gonna be our raw data, and then from here, important about this, you should have this. You select your data, and then you insert the table, and you say that your table has headers. So with that, you can come here and then get your pivot table. So if we see here, you can get this one. I would suggest here, Control Z, Control C, then come here, and once we have this, we're gonna insert a pivot table, and then we're gonna Control V, and that's gonna bring us the table that we need. So we need to say rows, so we can just drag and drop whatever we want. So for example, if we want to have this with the values per ID, or we want to have this by description, okay, it's going to give us the summary of that. Or if we want to see by values, okay, if we want to see this, and then by ID. So let's check this one, because this is pretty much giving us the summary. Once we have this here, we're just gonna click insert, recommended charts, boom. I would suggest to Control X, which is cutting that, putting into the chart tab, and then whatever you want to do. If you have something changing here, for example, now that you have something uh, added here, so you just need to come here in your data, refresh, boom, and that's going to give you a different chart. So you can add here your data labels and the table if you want to see that. And whenever you have something added, you just need to refresh. That's going to refresh here and refresh your chart. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you can do something out of a data set uh, and get dynamic charts easily uh, and dynamically in Excel in less than 5 minutes. Even that we did it, that we did the data and we set everything, it was in less than 5 minutes. Thank you. Click on like and subscribe. That's gonna help us to get more videos, and probably I can help you with more. Bye.